Hi friends, welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today is the first episode of Wait a Minute Wednesday for May. So let's count our cash and see what we're working with. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $25. I left the challenges in the order from 1 through 6. We have our two-sided or our two dice that we roll. 6-sided tells us which challenge to stuff, and the 5-sided dice tells us how much they give it. So we got challenge 5 is going to get 3. All right, let's see who's going to get some love now. Oh, how in the world? Challenge 5 for 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm rolling these separate. Challenge 3 for 1. Challenge 1 for 1. Challenge 6 for 1. Six for 3. 1, 2, and 3. Challenge 1 for 2. Y'all looking forward to me? I'm gonna say happy Mother's Day in advance. Challenge 5 gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To y'all, you lovely mothers, whether you have babies of your own, kitties, doggies, pets, nieces and nephews. You may be somebody's mother figure. So enjoy your day. Challenge 6 for 2. My mom texted me the other day, like, what do you need for Mother's Day? I'm like, I don't need anything. I'm good. Like, I don't know. To me, Mother's Day is for the kids to the mom, not mom to daughter. So it's like, yeah, I don't expect anything. 1. Challenge 6 for 3. And we gotta remove our 5-sided die since we have $1 left and see who's gonna get this last dollar. It seems like challenge 2 and 4 decided they not playing today. The look of the roll. Oh, challenge 4. I got $1. All right, so challenge 2 got nothing. Cause yeah, I definitely don't need anything. Do I want anything? Not really, not right now. Even for the kids, like, I don't really have nothing to tell them that I want. So, I'll take some quality time, some hanging outs, that'd be good. And I'm sure that'd be good on everybody's pocket, right? All right, so we got 1 here. Every star is $2. So we're just gonna stuff the 1 here in the front and it'll roll to next week's. And this one, we always just write whatever we roll. So go ahead and write that down. Slide in. I think number 1 got the least. That it got $3. The least, we need at least $10 to color in another feather. The last 2 rows is 10 and 15. So we're up to $4. We getting there. We getting there. Okay, and so I think 5 is the winner. I do. Ooh, Hey, we finished challenge 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna take $2. We'll be able to complete challenge 6. And we'll add these $2. This should give us 30, 10, 15, 20, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Woohoo! So let me get this colored in. All right, so we got the first challenge completed for this month, and we'll see who'll be able to join this challenge by the end of the month. And that's why I'm storing it in this little bag here. So we need a new challenge. And I may have to be creative, you guys. I'm kind of torn. I just got the idea because this one is going to be here for a while. Because let me see, that's 30, 45, 55, 65, $65 for one challenge. So I'm thinking about rolling this amount to that to get it done sooner than later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me ponder a little bit more before we add in another one. So challenge 5, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11 for the win. Let's see. We have an 8. So 8, that leaves 3. Yeah, okay, so we got 8 here and then 3 here on the plant. All right. And all these ones, there's probably enough ones to like 20 ones. So I'll like start with a $20 bill and condense this and use these ones to roll with next week. That's usually how I do it week to week. Just go in and condense with whatever amount I'm using. So yeah, you guys, I think I'm going to do that just for now until we get some of these challenges completed. I'm going to allocate whatever challenge 6 get to one of these challenges that's been here for some time, and so that we can get them fully funded and get some new ones in here. So with this 7 and 4, that's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we'll leave this one and color in all right, so that does it for this Wait a Minute Wednesday. And I will chat with you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.